how to import WhatsApp chat zip file on your Android or your iPhone. So if you want to import WhatsApp chat zip file on your Android or iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Files application. After opening your files, you need to scroll down, go with internal storage. Once you tap on the internal storage, you need to tap on Android option. After that, you need to tap on Media. Now open the com.whatsapp folder. Tap on it. After that, hold on to the WhatsApp folder, and then you will find an option of compress. I'll go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and you will find the compress option. Tap on compress and make sure the zip option is selected. Once the compression is completed, you need to copy the new zip file to your new phone and paste it in the same directory. After that, install WhatsApp on your new phone and verify your number. And when prompted, you need to tap on Restore. Your chats will automatically appear on your new device. So that's basically how you can import your WhatsApp chat zip file on your Android or your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.